Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated an MRI facility at Nazareth Hospital, Shillong yesterday. The Chief Minister said that having an MRI here will be a huge step towards providing proper diagnostic service. He said that the government's strategy for the health sector goes beyond not only offering health and wellness services and considers the entire life cycle of the industry. The CMSDF provided Rs 25 lakhs for the MRI machine, and the Chief Minister added another 25 lakh rupees.
Of the cabinet day after tomorrow, in which major decisions will be made regarding the medical colleges of our state. We have been working on this for the last many months. In fact, it started in the last term itself. But day after tomorrow, we will be making some major announcements. Our Honorable Health Minister will make the announcements after we've passed in the cabinet, where we will be announcing the plans for at least 3 medical colleges that are there, and we'll be putting in a timeline on how long it will take. At the same time, the money that's going to be spent on it and the working mechanism in which it will happen.